Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add buy two get one free on Shopify. So first of all, just log into your Shopify admin and then in the left hand side, there is the option you want to click on this discount, and then you just want to click on the top right hand corner where it says create discount. Click onto that, and then you want to select this option buy X get Y. So then select that, and now you can include a discount code, but I'm going to choose an automatic discount that says customer will see in their cart. Then for the name, we are going to call it buy two get one free, just like that. And then it says customer buys, and then you can select minimum quantity of item, and then you select 2 because it's buy 2 get 1 free. Then you can choose any item from, then you can select here from a specific product or a specific collections, so you can select whatever you want, and then you just need to choose the collection. So I don't have any collection yet, but you can choose it from here. Then you can see here it says customer gets, then you want to include the quantity, so I'm going to put 1 because they are going to get one free item. And then again specific product or collections, so choose, I will let them choose from collections. Then what you need to do is select free over here because it's a free item, and then you can scroll down and you can see all other settings. We don't need to do the other settings, and then just simply tap on this save discount and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.